It's really good.
Breakfast a la Shamma.
This is a really good waffle.
Looks really good.
It's very good. I don't even like waffles that much. This is really good.
Do you prefer pancakes to waffles?
No, I prefer waffles to pancakes. I still don't like waffles that much.
How about you, TK? Waffle? Notice a pattern here. I asked TK a question and he's dead to the world. He's in his cone of silence.
There's burger in.
Oh no. You know what? Forget it. I don't want to eat with you guys. You're just gonna make me fat.
Okay.
That's been your whole plan.
We'll go to what about Garden Deli? It has the word garden in it, Josh.
It does.
We get a club. A club's not gonna make you fat.
In a garden too. Club.
Yeah, now you sound undersatisfied. So what do you want, Josh?
Well, I'm just saying, like,
party or not?
I don't know, the club it's delicious, but I feel like I could eat 2 of them.
Okay, so we'll go to Burger Inn where there's lots of calories.
Ew.
Is it Burger M or Burger I?
It's actually Burger Inn, we found out, yeah.
Why?
It's annoying, I know. It should be Burger I Am.
Dumb, I don't like it.
Their burgers are good, though.
Are they?
Burger I Am, first of all.
They're really good. Yeah, it's kind of like high-level stuff.
Okay.
Would it be different if I said Jack's? Would you be more excited?
Yeah, I guess. I don't know.
I'm
just
Zoccolis
kind of bummed
again.
with my
Zoccolis.
options now, because I've been eating like a pig for days.
Yeah, so let's eat a light sandwich from Garden Deli Liquor or Zoccolis.
Broccoli. It's kind of like pig status there, too.
Yeah, a bag of chips and a small sandwich, sure.
They have a lot of healthy options. I went there for the first time last week, and I
Really
was
good,
like,
huh?
Did you get the pesto chicken?
I did.
It's amazing.
I loved it. It was
life-changing.
really good. I got the grilled chicken.
I did too.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, it's like the softest sandwich. It's like
It was like the bread is really soft, and then like it was
you
really
barely
good.
need to chew it.
It was really good.
It's so tasty.
Okay, thank you for making my case for where we should go to lunch. Let's go to Zoccolis. Let's do it.
Okay, we'll go to Zoccolis.
I'll even try the chicken pesto, which I haven't had before.
Oh, you haven't?
Because I always get the tri-tip, which is like basically the same sandwich, but tri-tip instead of chicken.
They put pesto on it?
Oh no.
No.
It's not even close.
No, but
to
they put
the
the
same
roasted.
sandwich.
They put the roasted peppers. There's
They do
some
that, well,
mayo
they're-
based, like
The
aioli based.
Italian
whatever.
sausage is really good because
Yeah.
they put the peppers on it, and it's kind of got a little bit of a balsamic kind of hint to it.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
Yeah. If you get fat eating chicken pesto sandwiches, Josh, and sprinting all the time and playing soccer. And
I don't know. There's a lot of mayo on that chicken pesto.
Oh,
I think that's
no.
their secret.
It's just whipped eggs, Josh. It's no big
Whipped
deal.
eggs.
Delete all that. This machine's a piece of crap.
What happened?
I'm so over this.
Okay, you guys are. This isn't Daniel.
He's an angry elf. I'm really pissed
Corey,
right now.
right? No.
Willie's been particularly annoying today.
They
He's been
dropped
throwing
it off.
leather at me all day.
Oh, there was 2 other guys
Poking
that
me on the
dropped it off
shoulder.
the other day. Anyways,
Just being
So,
dumb.
where are you at?
Happy Monday.
Thanks, man.
Done being a fool.
Done being a fool.
Stressed out so hard on
Before he does it again. You're so dumb. You try to tie my ankles
Legs
together
to the-
like in the
the
movies.
stool.
That would be pretty amazing if you did that.
So,
Okay.
here's the deal. We,
I can sense your presence behind me.
I'm not doing anything.
And then we're going to
Yeah.
get down to reports. You might.
Josh, don't worry. You're not the only one having brain farts over there.
Willie! Show TK.
Oops, TK. He probably doesn't care.
What's up?
I just
He
want to show
literally
you.
just put 2 buckles on.
Of course you did. Of course you did.
That's kind of epic, Willie.
It's not the first time. It's like a common one.
2
keepers.
2 keepers. Very
There
good.
should only be one,
That's the best.
but there's 2.
All right.
For shame.
For shame. What are you doing, Willie?
Oh.
Oh, hey.
Oh, hi. Just using a little router bit to cut into the mountain goats because they're so thick. We can take advantage of the fact that the what do we call it? Oh, the insole post. I was about to call it the dog. That's what we call it here, but the insole post fits a lot better and nicely, and it makes it smoother if you can bore out this little space.
Cool.
But the problem is, if you just use a knife, then the line will keep breaking, and it'll eventually like split the sand.
Oh, interesting.
So I use this thing because it makes like this nice smooth
Yeah.
finish. So
Cool.
Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more weekly content. And make sure to click the bell so that you'll be notified every time we post something new.
This last one, don't mess it up.
There's some other ones that you could probably look at.
Oh, yeah.